How to calibrate compass on Google Maps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it works on Android, Samsung or iPhone. So for that we will simply open Google Maps app. So I will open it. Once you open Google Maps, you will simply click on your location. Before opening that, you need to make sure that your location was turned on. So I will simply turn on it. Once your location on, simply go to your location. So I will simply click on my location like that arrow. Now we need to wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see blue light with my location, like with my location dot. So that blue light was our compass type. Like if you I rotate my phone, you guys can see my direction was change. That didn't show on your phone. How you guys can show that? So the first step will be we need to uninstall the Google Maps, and after that we will reinstall it, so it will be fixed. And also we can try it aeroplane method. So I will simply scroll here. You guys can see aeroplane mode, so simply click on that. Now wait for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, remove aeroplane mode, and after that check Google Maps, so it will work. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.